everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little video here. I'm going to be doing some bear nails. These little charms I got from Shein, and they have little pink bows, but I wanted to use my Madam Glam polishes again. So I'm going to go in and just change the color of the bow. So first I'm just going in with a little bit of base coat and just coating that bow. And cure that for about 30 seconds. And I'm going to use my Joss Love brush. This is the 101. This is the real fine pointy brush. And that's what I'm going to use to put the shade Birthday Boy. That really pretty, it's like a Tiffany blue to me color. So that's what I'm going to be using to paint the bow. I don't know, throughout the video a lot of things weren't coming out very clear. I think that it was trying to focus on that palette, the camera, so sorry if it was blurry at some points. Yeah, I really like this brush because it's really pointy and small, and it really gets like in the little crevices, every little detail. So yeah, I already cured those for 30 seconds, and then now I'm just going to put a little bit of the top coat just to coat the bows. I won't be talking too much throughout the actual nail set just because, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. I will be putting little things up on the screen here and there. But yeah, I just really love the colors that I got from Madam Glam. And I do have a discount code. It's Sondra30_1. And you can save 30% off. These polishes are just amazing. So I definitely wanted to do another set with them. So I'm just going in with the Couture Peel Off Base Coat. This one you do have to let it air dry, so you just let it air dry for a few minutes. And then I go in with the Madam Glam Base Coat and just put a layer of that and then cure that for 30 seconds. And then to adhere my tips, I'm going to be using the Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue, and I am using the Long Sculptor square tips from Couture. I just want to say thank you to everyone who watches my videos, comments, likes the videos. I really appreciate it. It really means a lot to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just let you guys listen to some music, and then I'll come back in at the end. Thank you. So I didn't realize I wasn't recording when I was polishing my nails, putting this brown shade on. But I'll go ahead and show the name of it in a second here. It's the shade Always Late. It's a real pretty tan color. Oh, it's really, really pretty. But I did apply 2 coats of that, and then I cured each coat for 30 seconds. And then on my palette here, I'm going to go ahead and put some of the brown polish. And then I did put the blue. I don't know why I put the blue there because I didn't end up using it. I don't know what I was thinking, but I'm just going to go ahead and apply polka dots to each of the blue nails. So now I'm going to be using the Vetsy Rainbow Cat Eye Gel. I'm going to be applying this to the ring finger and the pointer finger. This was my first time using a cat eye gel like on a set. I just used it when I swatched the color that's in a previous video. But oh my gosh, it was so much fun. So I'm going to definitely be using this a lot more. It's so pretty. You'll see I just basically went for like a line, you know, kind of going across the nail, but it does have that rainbow effect. Oh, it's so pretty. But yeah, it was so fun just moving those little magnets around. This is the finished set here. I think they came out super cute. That rainbow cat eye is just gorgeous. I'll show some pictures here in the sunlight. They look so pretty. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Bye.